This is the first game wheel built directly inside Premiere Pro. The command bar, it was good, but let's be honest. Remembering commands, hunting for extensions, too complicated, not fast enough. So we rebuilt everything. Introducing the ring. Ctrl+ right-click, Command+K to open it. We took direct inspiration from the GTA weapon wheel, because we know editors are gamers, and your hand already knows what to do. Click the logo in the center, and the full BLINKL extension catalog opens up. Star whatever you want. Now, the best part, how do you customize the ring? Simple. Open the ring with your shortcut, click the logo, go to the settings wheel, click ring. And now, look at this. You can configure literally everything. Want a shortcut to smoothify? Done. A shortcut to a smoothify preset? Done. A shortcut to a native Premiere Pro preset? Done. A shortcut to any effect? Done. And yes, you can also create subfolders to group your favorite actions. The possibilities are literally endless and built to fit every editor's workflow. The other big update, Smoothify. We completely reworked the interface. The panel is now semi-docked. Put it wherever you want, like right here. Resize it down to show only your presets, nothing else in the way. Same thing for any paste, beat detector, snap actions, emoji picker, all brand new interfaces. This update genuinely changes everything. We pushed hard to improve every part of the Premiere Pro workflow. You put your hand on the mouse and you just edit. BLINKL is free, link in the description.